I went home, it's fucked up, came back home on home. Gotta wake them up like these Moses, cause these fuck niggas don't want it. These rappers damn near homeless and they still ain't got on it. Ain't stopping till I get 100 million, cop everything that I'm rolling. I'm sick, might need to check up. Bout money like check stuff. Mama said I should rest up, but I'm still meet with investors. Super tight, I'm clean, ho. Taking mine like repo. Bout to blow like C4. Then that's for my team, ho. You don't know what I'm talking about. Fuck nigga, don't say nothing. So I gotta stay prayed up and work hard till my day come. It's game time for these niggas. I'm Kobe Bryant about business. Either I'ma die trying to get it. Boy, I gotta shine while I'm living. I was in the mud so fucked up and my bucks up and took off. Niggas kicked me when I was down. I remember now as fuck y'all. Y'all come back for my shit. My whole family need new whips. I told cousin to stay strong. Once I come back, we rich. Told my family to hold on. Shit been going right. All the damage on my wrongs, I'm trying to make them right. Once we in this bitch, we in it for life. I put that on my mom. I put that on my life. I told my family to hold on. Shit been going right. All the damage on my wrongs, I'm trying to make